In this video, I'm going to talk about the law of conservation of mass. What this law talks about is that whenever you have a chemical reaction and you form a product, the mass of the substance that you start out with before the reaction would be equal to the mass of the substance that you form after the reaction. So the idea is that you're not losing anything while converting one form of substance to another, and that's basically what this law is all about. Now let's look at an example right here. What we have is a 1.59 grams of sodium carbonate which is being added to the acetic acid, and when you do that you release the carbon dioxide gas into the air. So what we are given here is that 1.59 grams of sodium carbonate is added to the 20 grams of acetic acid, and you're forming a carbon dioxide gas, and we don't know the mass of the carbon dioxide gas. All we know is that after this reaction occur, all we know is 29.3 grams of product is being formed. So we'll use this law of conservation of mass to find out what is the mass of the carbon dioxide gas that is being released into the air. So according to the law of conservation of mass, as we saw earlier, the mass of the substance before the reaction is equal to the mass of the substance after the reaction. So our mass of the substance before the reaction, which is acetic acid and sodium carbonate, which is let's say 1.59 grams of sodium carbonate plus 20 grams of acetic acid, and our final product weighs 29.3 grams. Okay, now since carbon dioxide is being formed as a product and is being released into the air, we are going to subtract that mass of carbon dioxide from the product. Okay, now what you have is the algebraic equation that is being arranged for you. Now all you don't know is the mass of the carbon dioxide gas. So when you solve this equation, you're going to get the mass of carbon dioxide is equal to 7.71 grams. So it's nothing crazy, it's a simple law that whenever you have a chemical reaction, you're going to form the exact amount of product. You're not going to lose anything. So the matter cannot be created or destroyed, but they can be changed chemically or physically. That's what this law is all about. I hope this video makes some sense. If you have any question or comments, just please leave them below the box.